Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting the basics ready. Power the Galaxy Fit3 and charge it above 20%, then open your phone and enable Bluetooth and location. Next, install and launch the Samsung Galaxy Wearable app. Once opened, sign in with your Samsung account so data can sync. Now, make sure the watch shows the pairing screen. Once done, tap Add New Device in the app and choose Galaxy Fit3 to begin the automatic pairing sequence. In the app, follow the guided prompts. When the watch appears, confirm the on-screen pairing code or animation that matches what you see on your Galaxy Fit3. Grant requested permissions, contacts, notifications, location, and storage, because these let the watch show alerts and sync activity. If the app offers a firmware update, accept it. Updates often fix bugs and improve compatibility. Make sure to keep phone and watch close together, finish by customizing notification preferences, watch faces, and sync frequency in the wearable app so the Fit3 behaves the way you want. Make sure step counts, heart rate, and sleep data are visible in the app and that notifications arrive correctly. If everything looks good, let the watch run a short sync to ensure continuity. If pairing fails or disconnects, restart both devices, clear your phone's Bluetooth cache, or perform a factory reset on the Fit3 as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.